Ethiopia actually has confirmed but undeveloped uranium resources. Not rumor. Documented occurrences, mapped since the 1970s by Ethiopian teams, French geologists, Russian geologists, in the 80s through 2000s. Let me take you on a quick region-by-region tour. First stop, Oromia, specifically the Nejo-Begi Belt in the west. This is the most studied and promising zone so far. Uranium here shows up in and around Precambrian granitic metamorphic rocks. Think ancient heat and pressure-cooked rocks cut by quartz veins. Surveys confirmed uranium-bearing formations. Uraninite pitchblende, monazite zircon thorite. It's the area geologists circle first on the map. Slide northwest to Benishangul Gumuz, near Asosa and toward the Sudanese border. Same broader geological corridor continues into Sudan, which also has uranium occurrences. Traces occur in phosphate-rich sandstones, arcosic sandstones. Radiometric surveys have flagged surface anomalies, basically Geiger counters saying, something's here, now up to the Amhara and Tigray regions. In some eastern sedimentary basins, black shale's phosphate layers can host minor uranium concentrations. We're mostly talking trace levels identified by geochemical sampling, more of a watch this space than a ready-to-mine deposit. Zooming out to the geology, host rocks, granites, pegmatites, quartz veins, phosphatic shales, sandstones. The uranium shows up as uraninite pitchblende, with thorium rare earths sometimes tagging along, especially in pegmatites plus niobium in places. In terms of age, it's a mix. Very old Precambrian metamorphic terrains, younger Phanerozoic sedimentary basins. So why isn't Ethiopia mining uranium already? Strategy and safety. Uranium is tightly regulated as nuclear material. Ethiopia is a signatory to the Non-Proliferation Treaty and the African Nuclear Weapon Free Zone Treaty, the Pelindaba Treaty. Any future development would require IAEA oversight, robust environmental impact assessments, radiation protection plans, strict tailings, and water management. Translation: you don't move forward without world-class safeguards and transparent governance. What does this mean long-term? Ethiopia has geological potential, especially in the Nejo-Begi Belt and the broader western corridor. But the path from confirmed occurrence to operating mine is long. Drilling, resource definition, feasibility studies, community consultation, regulatory approvals. Until then, these uranium occurrences are strategic assets on paper, part of a wider picture that includes rare earths, thorium, niobium in certain rocks. If you're tracking energy minerals in Africa, keep an eye on Western Ethiopia. The rocks are promising, the rules are strict, and the story is still being written.